Okay, let's look at similar verbs to what we've been looking at already, which is Igba. Okay, Igba egwu means to dance. Igba egwu. Okay, so try and conjugate it. You can conjugate it the way we've been conjugating the previous verbs. Okay. Na-agba ọsọ. I am running or I run. Na-agba ọsọ. Ga-agba ọsọ. Ga-agba ọsọ. I will run. Okay. Gbara ọsọ. Gbara ọsọ. I ran. Okay. Igba egwu means to dance. Igba egwu. Okay. So try and conjugate it. You can conjugate it the way we've been conjugating the previous verbs. Okay. Okay. Ngagba, nagba, mgbara, mgbala. Okay. So try and make 3 sentences with Igba egwu. 3 sentences. Okay. And speak it out loud to yourselves. Okay. Write it out and speak it out loud. Okay. 3 sentences with Igba egwu. Okay. All right. So I'll give you one of mine. Ada na-agba egwu. Ada na-agba egwu. Ada is dancing. Okay. All right. Okay. Questions. Jụọ m ajụjụ. Do you have a question? Ask me a question. Jụọ m ajụjụ. Ask me a question. Jụọ m ajụjụ. Just to let you know that we have sort of a full Igbo study bootcamp for speakers to brush up your speaking, to improve your speaking. All right, I will leave a link below and you can access it via that link. Enrollment is open now and it will be closing soon. Okay, see you. Daalụ.